Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with this topic, which is SAP system landscape. In this topic, we will see what is a landscape in the SAP terminology and what is the significance of it. Landscape actually is like a server system or like a layout of servers, or even we can call it as the architecture of servers. And SAP has divided it into three major landscape, which is your development system, your quality system, and your production systems. So development system, you can see there are multiple clients within the development system, within the quality system, and for production you have single client. And here you can see one more difference. It is a three-tier landscape which has development, quality, and production system. And you can see it's a two-tier landscape where you have only development and production. So this is the recommended SAP strategy so that you can make your changes, create your programs, make your development work here. You can test them thoroughly. Quality testing you can conduct it here. And once it is tested successfully, you can move them into production. So that is the reason why you require three different landscapes, so that your development is totally separated and your quality system, which is kind of replica of production, so that when you are testing you get more or less the similar production environment whatever you have in your company. So that is the reason we require three different landscapes. Okay, so as we have seen that this has all the development, all the customization. It's kind of sandbox environment where you create your program, test it, fail it, test it, and once it is working successfully, you move them into quality system where the integration testing is done. It is tested together with other programs and similar to an environment which is your production environment. Okay, so you get a feel of how your program will behave in a production environment. So that is about the production, about the landscape part for different environment. Okay, so customization environment, as you can see that we can call them as a customization also, because this is where you do all your customizing settings and possibly all your workbench related development is done here. Okay, so you can call this as a customizing also, you can call it as a unit testing, you can call it as a sandbox system, because that is the kind of work which is done in this particular system. Okay, quality system, as we have seen that this is similar to the production environment, and you do all your quality related checks here, all validations you do it here. Okay, then this is your production system where you avoid doing the testing work, avoid doing your development work, so that it is available to the end user, to the productive environment, and all the production operations can be done here. Okay, so that is pretty much I wanted to cover in this particular topic of SAP landscape. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.